Hello guys, welcome back to LeetCode. So in our SQL series where we are solving these LeetCode questions, I'm back with another question, second highest salary. Okay, so in this question we have been given a table employee and this table contains two columns ID and salary. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to select the second highest distinct salary from the table, and if there is no second highest salary then return null. Okay, this example over here, this example contains three salaries, 100, 200 and 300. So the second highest salary is 200. Okay, now the next table contains only one salary, so the return value is null. Okay, so we have to write the query for same. Not a big rocket science over here, just we have to return the second highest salary. Okay, so let's start with the query. We will select distinct. Okay, we need unique values. There may be chances that the first highest salary may have two values. Okay, suppose the highest salary over here is 300, so there may be two IDs having highest salary 300. Okay, so for that you will select distinct salary from our employee table. Okay, and then we will use the order by clause salary in descending order. Okay, so we get the highest salary, then second highest salary, and the third highest salary. Okay, in descending order from higher to lower. Okay, so the highest salary comes at first. Then we require only one row as our output. For that we will limit the output to 1. Okay, this limit clause limits the output to only one row. Okay, then the next clause we are using is offset. This offset removes the number of rows from top according to the result. Okay, we require only second highest salary, so we do not require the highest salary. We need to remove the highest salary from the table, so we will use the offset keyword which will remove the first row. So we will write offset 1 because we have to remove the first row. So this offset keyword will remove the first row. That's it. This is the query, and we will use it as a subquery and use the select statement, select, and as shown in the output table, second highest salary. Okay, that's it. So this is our query. Let's run it. So our query is correct. We got our expected output. Let's submit it. Okay, so our solution is correct. Do practice the same question in your LeetCode. From the point of view of your placements and college interviews, this question is quite important. This is very easy question. Okay, and the solution requires some SQL concept, so it may be asked in your interviews. So do practice this question, share it with your friends, and like the video. Subscribe LeetCodes if you haven't subscribed, because I will be back with more such videos, more such questions with solutions. Okay, bye bye. Happy coding. Thank you.